Lecture 7: Academic Research, Brainstorming, and Everyday Use. In this lecture, we shift our focus on something very practical: how Perplexity AI fits into your daily academic life, your creative thinking, and even your everyday problem solving. You already know how the tool works. Now it's time to talk about how to actually use it. Whether you're writing a paper, stuck on an idea, or just curious about something new. Today, we will learn three specific ways to use Perplexity effectively: for academic research, for brainstorming creative ideas, and for everyday tasks. You will see real world examples, get tips for using it responsibly in your coursework, and walk away with a stronger sense of how Perplexity can save time and improve your work. Objectives of this lecture: by the end of this lecture, you will be able to use Perplexity to support academic research and writing, apply it to brainstorming ideas or organizing your thoughts, explore how to use it in day to day life for learning, planning, or decision making. Use Perplexity for academic research. Let's start with the most obvious use: schoolwork. When you are doing academic research, Perplexity can help you understand a topic quickly by giving you a high level summary. Explore different perspectives through suggested follow up questions. Find useful sources to guide deeper research. Example: you are writing a paper on the impact of fast fashion. You ask by giving it a prompt in here as: what is fast fashion and why is it controversial? And press enter. Perplexity provides a summary with sources from environmental organizations, academic journals, and industry sites. You follow up with: what are the ethical issues in fast fashion production? And press enter. Suddenly, you're not just scratching the surface, you're building a full argument. Always fact check and reword when using AI generated ideas in your academic work. Use Perplexity as a starting point, not a final draft. Brainstorming ideas and outlining projects. Perplexity is also great when you don't have a topic yet, or when your brain feels stuck. Let's say you need to come up with a topic for presentation in class. You ask by giving it a prompt in here as: what are current issues in education policy? And click enter. Perplexity might return ideas like teacher related challenges, curriculum and learning, funding and sources allocation, equity and access, and all of these you can explore. Now you are not starting from a blank page. You are working with options. You can take it further as: outline points for a 5-minute presentation on. Here you can choose any of these. For example, equity and access, you choose, you copy that and paste in here. And you can just click on this or press enter. Perplexity gives you a structure: causes, effects, data points, and possible solutions. So you can explore. This is how it shifts from being a search tool to a thinking partner. Everyday use: quick answers, smarter decisions. Not everything has to be academic. Perplexity can be just as helpful in daily life. Here are some examples. Health questions: what's the difference between a migraine and a tension headache? Travel planning: what are some affordable sites to visit in Europe? Financial basics: how does compound interest work? Personal growth: what's the Pomodoro technique and how do I use it? The key is to treat it like a helpful guide, not as a final authority. Use it to learn faster, think more clearly, and make smarter decisions.